Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about how to correctly identify and work out the breakout of psychological levels. This knowledge, guys, is the key to successful trades for absolutely everyone. Now I will show you how it is done with a real example. Let's first understand what a breakout is. A breakout is when the price of an asset breaks through a certain level of either resistance or support, which we call a psychological level. In our case, it is the level of 0.5600. Several important signals will help us understand that the breakouts are real. And now, guys, attention. The first signal is a golden cross. When a moving average with a shorter period crosses a moving average with a longer period from the bottom up, that's a good thing. It is even better when it is accompanied by regular candlestick formations, which tell us about the growth of interest in buying. Next, our faithful assistant is the MACD indicator. When its line crosses the signal line from bottom to top, this is another plus to our forecast. The momentum on the MACD histogram should be above zero, not negative. At this point, we can assume the market is favoring us. Don't forget about the stochastic. If the stochastic line updates the minimum, staying above the previous one, it indicates an upward trend. As we're moving in sync with the market trend, finally, when we see a breakout of the resistance level by one candle, this is our starting signal. We literally open an option 3 candles ahead and voila, profit is ours. This way we can successfully work out breakouts with simple steps. And remember, guys, practice is the path to expertise. Experiment, analyze, earn.